Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I am lecturer Muhammad Farhan Sheikh. Today our topic is flow of energy. Flow of energy. You know what is flow of energy? The main source of energy in an ecosystem is a sunlight. You know there are two components of ecosystem. Ecosystem. One is biotic components and second is that abiotic components. Biotic components are the producers, consumers and other things. Whereas abiotic components are the non-living things. For example, light, carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, amino acid and other multitude organic substance. So keep in your mind there are two most important components in an ecosystem. One is that biotics and abiotics. Producers are the plants. Keep in your mind. And consumers are both. Means primary consumers and that other secondary consumers, and last one is that tertiary consumers. So consumers are of three types. Primary consumers are the herbivorous, secondary consumers are the carnivorous, and omnivorous are those they feed both plants as well as animals, and tertiary consumers are the top carnivores. For example, lion, tigers, jackals and other things. So here we discuss flow of energy. So main source of energy in an ecosystem is a sunlight. Sunlight is a main source of energy. The plants कितने परसेंट लाइट यूटिलाइज करेंगे? Only 2 to 3% sunlights are utilized by plants. Only 2 to 3% light utilized by plants. Plants convert solar energy into chemical energy. Plants convert solar energy into chemical energy. Then this energy passed from plants to primary consumers. Then this energy is passed from plant to primary consumer, then from primary to secondary consumer, primary to secondary consumers, and finally to the tertiary consumers, tertiary consumer. At each passing significant amount of calories of food is lost, and tertiary consumers only receive 3 to at each passing significant amount of calories of food is lost at each level, and tertiary consumers only receive 3 to 5% original calories energy. You know, flow of energy. This is a flow of energy from one level to another level. So this flow of energy in an ecosystem is started from the sunlight. This sunlight is utilized by the plants. In the presence of sun, plant utilize this sunlight energy, and this sunlight or solar energy converted into chemical energy. Then this chemical energy means carbohydrate. This chemical energy then this energy is passed from plant to primary consumers, and you know primary consumers are the herbivorous, secondary consumers are the carnivorous, whereas tertiary consumers are the top carnivorous. So this flow of energy started from the sunlight. So we say that is a main source of energy. Main source of energy in an ecosystem is a main source of energy in an ecosystem. This energy utilized by plants. Plants use only 2 to 3% of total sunlight. Then when plant utilize sunlight, then change this solar energy or light energy change into chemical energy, and this chemical energy utilized by herbivorous means primary consumers, because primary consumers are the herbivorous, they feed the plants, and primary consumers then from primary consumer to secondary consumer, and finally to the tertiary consumer. At each passing significant amount calories of food is lost. You know, first law, you know, energy can neither be created or not destroyed, but it can change from one form to another form. This is the flow of energy. This is the flow of energy, like this. This is a flow of energy. First of all, sunlight utilize कौन करेगा? Producers are the plants. Plants change the solar energy into chemical energy, and this energy utilized by consumers. Consumers, first of all, primary consumers, and primary consumers feed by secondary consumers, secondary, tertiary consumers, and finally all of these are decomposed by bacteria and fungi. So my dear student, this is the flow of energy. Inshallah, in the next lecture we will discuss topic level of ecosystem. Thank you very much.